Hello, hello, hello. Sorry, coffee took a little bit longer. Welcome, 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 everyone. Let's get started, I guess. I have actually no idea why we don't have a window, so let's find that out. Try to find that out today. Oh, that was hot. Fresh coffee is hot, who would have thought? Where is my other... Alright, so everything's set up on the second monitor, perfect. Let's get one here as well. And I would probably want to look at the STL Wayland window as a reference now. Just in case. And I think they have a create here. Yeah. And I think it's mostly the same. It's just that... Okay. Well, Wayland will be interesting, I guess. Not gonna lie. That will be fun. Jesus. Let's see as well what we do here. Do we do anything like that? GLS swap. Display create queue. Oh, okay. That will be something. So this configure window geometry is basically how he resizes it. Do I have that? Viewport the client protocol. Hello, what's up? What the actual oh, that's wrong. That's one. Viewport the client protocol. Indeed, he has it. But I guess I don't have that. No, I don't. Okay. Well, whatever, I guess for now. Alright, so one thing I would want to change is change the update logic already to be public thread here, not be a thread here. Take that out, put that here. Then I think we have on start, on update, on stop. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome everyone. Let's see if we can get a window up and running today, right? That would be very nice. So that goes there, that... I mean, basically goes there. Alright, and then we need the initialized. Alright. Put that probably here. That should do it, I think. Or we need where the start core here. Actually, I don't think we need that. I think we don't need an initialized here. Isn't it empty display? Oh, it should be empty display. Ah, okay, but it doesn't have a display handle, never mind. Oh, but okay, no, never mind, we need an initialized then. No, not really, I think. I just started, so don't get your hopes up too much. Mostly restructuring some code right now. And then we will see what is up with why we don't have a window. I think I would want to have this here, but I'm not sure if that makes sense. And in theory, I would probably want to have this here. Yeah, that should do it. Put a breakpoint here, put a breakpoint here probably, and here maybe. and see where we go with that. Nice, a 7 stream streak. Nice. Oh, the 3 coffee shots, worth it. Basically never ending coffee. I think I refactored all of it that I wanted to. Did I? I mean, maybe I have still a couple of functions that are wrong. At this one, for example. Oh! Ah, but wait a second. Handle surface configure. Okay, let's actually keep that away for now. And we have to, I'm not sure what we do here yet. I mean, it's basically the window close, but yeah, I don't have a window list yet, so not sure what to do with that. Native window, that is gone. I am blind. I'm wondering why. Ah, no, I guess, yeah. Because we build so much new stuff all the time. Oh, I forgot yesterday to look into the build times. Stupid me. Happens. Hope everyone is doing great while I'm waiting for my build to finish. So yeah, 31st or 1st of January, I have to think a little bit about it, but we will have a separate, like a different topic on that stream day. We will pause Linux for a day. And do a graphics, well, a particle system again. But this time in the shader graph. So it will be part of the engine, not like last year where we just hacked it together. Oh, those build times are killing me. It's because graphics is included in so many libraries that it's Yeah. And then it doesn't build and we need to wait again. 50 years probably. The STL implementation is so much more elaborate. It's insane. Where is that view? God damn it. Where is that viewporter client protocol? Where does he get that from? That seems to be a thing where you can position the window and resize it and stuff like that. But I'm not sure where they get it from. Is there a KDA one as well that you sent me? Hmm. What is that? Where does this come from? Do I need to edit manually? I mean, STR gets it from somewhere. And they don't seem to link it manually. Viewport. Wayland protocols. Oh, where is that? STR Wayland protocols. Oh, do they expose their own protocol or what? Ah, okay. Maybe, yeah. Well, that didn't work out quite as I would have hoped. Oh, wait. Never mind. Display. Oh, wait, we probably need to... Okay, I see. We most likely need to wait with that. So let's put it here for now. That makes that simpler. And then we just do that here. ECM add stable viewporter XMR. Okay. Do I have that? I think because I saw something, right? Viewporter. Oh yeah. Okay. No, but wait, let me Let me show you. STL is a good, really good source for stuff like that. Position. Reposition pop-up, and then they call, okay, they use a positioner, and then they set size with the XDG positioner. So maybe it's something different, but it's basically they reposition the window. And they do they initialized. So yesterday I looked at that. So this thing here they create somewhere, this positioner with XGG VM base create positioner, and with that they are allowed to set the anchor rect for the window. But I am not sure where to get that from yet. Maybe there's another include with another protocol. I don't know. XDG VM create positioner. Okay, maybe I just have that already. Okay. We there, maybe. Are we? Maybe not. But shouldn't I be running then? What the hell? M is initialized. Oh, but maybe... No, that should be fine. What the hell? Where the hell are we? We are in run. But for some reason my thread is not running anymore, or what? No, it's fine, don't worry. Oh, okay. What the hell is going on? Do I get a window like the window car back? Do I get here? And do I get here? And why do I not get a car back? Okay, so we start. And then I'm just here. Then I get this, then I get this. Then somehow I don't get anything back, or what? I'm just stuck in this tier dispatch. How come that's the case? How does this work? How should that work? What is that doing even? Let's see, where is that in SDR? Not here. It's what I thought, because they probably have it abstracted away. Wayland mouse, Wayland events. Oh, that's not that. Oh no, maybe it is. I don't know. It's stuck in this loop here. But I'm not even sure what that is supposed to do, to be honest. I mean, do I need that? Because shouldn't that... Because I do a flush here. Oh, that's a flush. Never mind. And that's a dispatch. I don't quite understand those those cars, what they are supposed to do. So that's prepare, read, and dispatch pending. And that's pretty much the same as we have here, right? That's prepare, read, dispatch pending. And then we have read events and dispatch pending. We don't have a flush here, but I'm not sure if that's needed or not. Oh, no, we have a flush here. But the flush is before the read, actually. I'm not sure. That's not an event render loop. It just waits for the surface to be configured. Aha. Never mind then. Okay. Thought that is a event loop, but okay. Stupid me, I guess, then. So we would do that. And then basically I would do that. But this was running all the time, right? I mean, his render loop is running that logic. And isn't STL running? This is in a loop as well. Swap window. See, I think that is an render loop. I mean, that's GLES, so maybe that's not correct, right? I'm not sure if there's a Wayland Vulkan or whatever. Because I guess that's only happening if we are OpenGL, EGL, okay. Maybe that's wrong then, I don't know. Display dispatch. Oh, okay, he has that here. Where is that? That's in show window, really? Yeah. It's like for multi-threading, if you have single-threaded. So you are saying I can just do that, or what? Then I'm not sure, do I need that? Let's go back first to the Wayland display, remove a couple of things again that are not needed then. Probably this, probably that. And now we compile for 10 years again. Okay. See what you did there. Let's actually do that. So you're basically running while initialized force, we do that. And if we do that, and here we would do that. Okay, so this is get Wayland status. Yeah, I mean, I kind of have that. Are you writing that in C++? I mean, I can dig it. Are you using and not, like the alternative keywords for stuff? It seems like you are using the alternate keywords, right? Because that's not, I mean, it's C++, but rarely people use that. I mean, I'm not against it. I mean, the and, I'm not sure if but the not, I can dig. Because basically I'm doing this, right? Which probably I could as well do not that. Maybe future me. But I've rarely seen people do it. Or maybe I realized that I don't even know a lot of people that know that this exists and is valid. Because it looks a little bit like Python, but yeah. Yeah. I mean, there's a limit, right? And not equal is my way a little bit too much. I don't know. Hmm. Oh, wait. Am I? No, it should be fine. And what is the... What is this? Okay, so I guess you... This... If the result is -1, you have an error. If the result is greater, then you just say event is processed. So I guess we could do that or what and get the status. Or we will build another shit ton of things, but Onyx log info Wayland window result. I think that should do all the same. Oh, okay. I see. What? Where is that unused? Oh, okay. More fair. I mean, I guess we can do a hide for now, even though that's completely useless, because that's what it actually, like, that's what the whole event means. Do not hide, destroy window instead. Stop having so many pop-ups, Mr. Visual Studio, well, Visual Code. Alright. I'd really want to have a window today, because I think that's the biggest thing. Input, it's mostly copy pasting and filling out things. The window is really the biggest thing. And looking at STL, there's so much. No, I pressed stop. Looking at STL, there's so much stuff that can be done. I mean, it's the same in Windows, in their Windows implementation, but you know, it took me quite some time to understand the Windows implementation as well and take the pieces that I wanted. I mean, for example, what is frog preferred metadata handler? Whatever. I mean, they have so much stuff in there, which maybe, yeah, it's not needed. Yeah. Guess we have to figure out what we need and what we don't need. And then I'm not sure, how do I decide, or who decides if my window is a pop-up or not? Because based on that, I can position it or not, but yeah. And am I a pop-up if I'm not full screen, or how does that work? That's like all questions I have to find out and answer. Still building, holy. Oh, we're done. Jesus. Okay, so size should be my full resolution. Yeah. Then we go in here. I mean, we probably did that. Oh wait, we should have a log, right? Terminal output. Where would my output go? Because I don't see it anywhere. Do I have not an STD out here or something like that? Or guess we could set a breakpoint here. Okay. Well, we are not exiting this anymore afterwards. I don't get anything out here. I'm basically stuck here. Yeah. This dispatch does not return anything. So that's why I think he loops or something like that. Or like that's why he does this weird dispatch loop. While we are not configured, we do that, and then afterwards we do this basically. Or we are not dead. But the weird thing is this is done in the loop is different than mine. I mean, yeah, I guess. But I mean, he exited this loop. But I mean, maybe not. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, we can... Your loop was... Well, it's not -1. And it's not configured. I mean, we can do that. Alright, it's not -1 and initialized is force. I think it is the same, to be honest. I think maybe you are handling one event afterwards here that I already handled in the loop, maybe. Comment out the flush above. Okay. Not sure if they do that in SDR. So in create window, what they do is they set up the listener, but they even add a different listener, which is they do other stuff here. So here is the compositor, and then they set up a surface add listener. With this. So maybe that's better anyways. And then they set, so that's in create window if it's not an external surface. And they set some user data. This is some viewport stuff, which I think is not really important right now. I don't think we need that. And then they fire a weird surface frame. And then they do a bunch of other stuff. That's why I said it's like super complicated. Or like not super complicated, but yeah. And I think then they wait for the core back. No, it's still the same, but maybe I need to wait. Yeah, maybe I will do that, but... But not after commit. In configure. In this callback or what? Mm-hmm. Ah. Mm-hmm. And then you... Well, I mean, that's basically what I had, right? Basically what I had. How do they do it? They completely do it different, right? Where do they call the commit? Commit. That might be... That's all in show window. Hide window. Okay. This is in maximize. You do line 71 that before you configure the surface. Okay. So I guess you would argue that I should do that or what? And then window. Get display handle, I guess, but I think I don't have that exposed currently. Nothing we can't change. Might work, might not work, who knows. Oh, did I change it up there? Yeah, I think I did, right? Yeah. Hello, Captain Chica. Hello, M display. M display. Why would you not like that? Oh, because it display handle. All right. When window changing, not the first time configure is called. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. I see. I mean, we can try that. What get? Oh, display handle. Ah, because it's forward declared. Yeah. Compositor XTM. Mm-hmm. I mean, almost looks the same. Oh, that would be the surface, right? So M surface. Captain Chica very competitive. Not competitive, combative. Combat. In the last couple of days, but it's fine. Guess he is sweating because maybe I get Linux done before his wedding. Although, with the speed I'm doing it now, maybe not. Hey? Oh, yeah, makes sense. I mean, I think I should see, hopefully. I mean, yeah, I don't know. I just want to see something from Wayland. That would make me happy. If I don't get it up and running today, I will look into a dual boot solution just to rule that out, that it's something related to the subsystem thing on Windows. I thought I did do that, but maybe you can give me a Wayland app that I can try. But I think I tried one, but don't ask me which one. But I mean, we can try. If you suggest me one, I can try to install it and run it. It's an Ubuntu. It even says here that I write Ubuntu. No, it still blocks in the display thing. But let's see if I'm doing it now correct. Okay, where? Yeah. Okay. Should it stop like that? Or it kind of works. Yeah. It's a bit weird because it has like frame rate issues, but okay. Alright, so why does my stuff, so do you do a create surface and then the shell? Oh no, then the XDG surface, yeah. Well, actually, now that I saw that, I want to do that as well because I did that in the Windows code as well. Then the XDG surface, get top level. You first do that and then you set up the listeners. I guess that doesn't really matter, but yeah. Then we set the title, we commit. And then we'll display dispatch while it's not -1 and the window is not initialized. Looks fine. Now we acknowledge here that. That is fine, we don't need that. And if we are configured, we do this. Otherwise, we just, yeah. 183. Why would that be not? In your case, it's not as well, right? Because here it's the same. Okay. But I mean, I don't see anything. It's like a pain. I mean, that blocks. That dispatch blocks. Still. And besides that, I mean, I think this runs, but I don't see anything. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Did I actually see that in the... Okay, no, I see it down here, right? So I would see something. Try add a decorator. We do that here? No. Here he does a show window. Do I get that? I do get that, right? I get the top. Oh, but it's a different top level configure, right? Probably. Yeah, okay. That is a different decorator thing, whatever. More beautiful stuff. XDG top level decoration V1. I don't know. Is that what you're looking for? Probably not. No, it seems like the same, yeah. By the name of it, it looks like it's the same. So after the surface commit, you do that. And then you do that. And then we do that. Alright, let's see. Okay, and then this one. Alright, XDG top level decoration, I don't know. Is it going good? I would not say so. I mean, it's not bad, but why is that? Whatever, it's probably stupid. So that would be MXDG. Annoying. Actually close all others. Don't save. Jesus, how many things did I have open? So now we have only 2, which makes it simple. If I find my code again. Oh, I didn't save it. Not much for that. Okay, so commit and then this. And then this afterwards. That would be this up here. XDG top level decorator listener. Probably something like that. I mean, yeah, it could be in the context, right? But yeah. Hello. Good afternoon. Where is the listener? Oh, here. Listener. And then this one. Handle top level decoration. Configure. That goes away, I think. That goes up here. Set XDG decoration manager. XDG top level is probably that. Oops. And then we need to include here decoration client protocol probably. Oh yeah, you wrote that. Okay. What is that? Oh, okay. Is that in the configure of the Wayland display or what? Well, for me, Wayland display, it would probably make sense to name that. But is it here or what? Yeah, okay. Oh yeah, looks like it. Where does this exist? Oh, it maybe does exist. That would be nice. Does it then exist for this as well? XGG decoration V interface. So does it here? Oh my god, please. Or okay, yeah, here. Mm-hmm. Does that exist? Hmm. Interface? Maybe. Nice. Maybe. That might be complete garbage, right? Because it's not really... It works for me. Okay, now let's find out. No need to do a reinterpret cast here. I would never recommend you doing a reinterpret cast unless you desperately need it. Just as a... And in this case, you don't. Yeah. Should be able to do that because I did that already with the others, and I don't know why you wouldn't be able to set the cast those. Alright. Oh, we need some getters as well for that. Get decoration manager. And get top or get decoration maybe. Ah, might as well around. And this is where the pointer. That's so weird. Although I think today is a different playlist, but maybe not. Did I play this playlist yesterday? Maybe. I turned it down a little bit. Well, that was already quite some errors here and there. I mean, that makes sense because we only half done the thing. Yeah, what does this expect? Okay, this. I And what the hell is it doing sometimes? This visual, yeah, whatever, not visual assist, but handle, top lever, and then I forgot what it was. My brain. Handle, top level, decoration config. Decoration configure. Oops. Handle, top level, configure. Static. Alright, so we have that. And then here we do display get decoration manager, I think it was. Right? Yeah. And then we do that, and then we do here get top level decoration. We have a decoration listener here. And what else does this take? Why does it not want to fulfill? Is that the surface or what is that? Where is my browser? Here. Add. Did I not copy that? Hmm. I guess not. Ah. It's not great. That helps a lot. Ah, that's user data, okay. So I guess in this case that would be this. Alright, and then top level decoration. We do it ugly, but it's fine. That, and then this is an enum. Default buffer. Oh, okay. WL buffer. Oh, okay. Well, is it not needed? Are we sure that it's not needed? Well, I don't have a Vulkan yet, so maybe that would be nice. Alright. Oh, let me turn on the light. Alright, only 9 errors. That makes sense, probably. Oh yeah, no, registry is there. Name is there. Well, I'm stupid. Never mind. It of course has to be that. Setting up that is quite a bit more code. They need shared memory. Okay. For the buffer, you mean, or what? Great, so I have a lot in front of me. Yay. Well, I learned something along the lines, so that's nice. If I would just use GLFW or SDL, I wouldn't learn anything. So it's nice. It's nice writing that at least once. Okay. I see. I see, I see, I see. So yeah, the goal for today would be just getting a damn window showing. I think everything else is then bonus. And again, if it doesn't work, then I will try to set up in the evening today a dual boot for a Linux. Not that I think it will change too much because but I mean, maybe we compile faster at that point then. Because I think. Okay, where, what? Decoration manager is null. Should I not have entered here? Did I forget something? Probably I did, right? Hmm. Let's see what we get. Can I please do a watch here? WL compositor, subcompositor. Ah, the viewporter. Beautiful. So that should go in here, yeah. Shell, W shell, W seed. No, there is no decorator. I think I did. I think I did. CMake. God damn it, where was it? Yeah. Should be ever. A classic one. Fun times, not gonna lie. First of all, decoration. I mean, he doesn't do it. In the Vulkan base example, there's nothing from decoration. So I don't think it's related to that, to be honest. Create a window. Oh my god, okay, maybe not. So here, the only thing he does is that. And then with the compositor. Okay, he does that. And then in the setup window. All he does is that. And then basically he does that, which again, I'm not sure if it's correct, but I mean, I'm pretty sure that runs on Wayland, that Vulkan example base. Let's get rid of that. Oh. I mean, that should even work on my current server, that setup, probably. Eh? Oh. Unused. Beautiful. What? Oh my god. Mm-hmm. Okay. That's maybe... yeah. I see. There is fake Wayland. Well, I will get something to drink for that beer, so I'll be right back. To be honest, I think we might pause the stream early. I'm not sure, but pause or stop, and I will set up the dual boot. I think it's way faster to do that instead of spending here hours building always on like a single core. It seems like. Because it's basically idling my CPU. I think. Let me check. Yeah. None of the CPUs are doing anything while we are building here. And that's like what mostly costs me a lot of time as well right now. I mean, yeah, it's... yeah. I think it's running now, but... yeah, that's about it. Yeah, we are running basically this loop here. Alright, yeah, I think it's best if I just set up a dual boot and we will be back maybe later today or tomorrow, depending on how motivated I am after setting everything up. I mean, I am kind of motivated, not gonna lie, but I will keep you posted on Discord. Exactly. Exactly that. Well, sorry for that. I thought we would get further and faster a window up and running, but I think it's better if I just do a proper setup and not do it on Windows in like a weird hacky way. Is it? They have an install. But I mean, I set it up on my machine, on my server, and I did it by hand, and that was painful. And then I saw they have like just an installer that guides you through the steps, so it wasn't too hard. But I didn't use the installer back then. Anyways, I think I can figure that out. Shouldn't be too hard. So yeah, I will post on Discord if I come back or not. But yeah, if not, then we see each other tomorrow latest on hopefully a set. Well, the problem is, yeah, the stream setup as well. So yeah, it will probably not be today. I forgot that I would need to set up everything again. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Probably, as the stream setup will take as well a bit of my time. Have a nice night as well, you yourself and everyone else as well. Sorry for the short stream. Have a great rest of your day and see you tomorrow.